everybody, my name is Ashley Kraft. I'm the author of the Unofficial Disney Parks Cookbook, and I'm here to share a special recipe from the book with you today. This is for a drink called Brew. It's sold in Magic Kingdom at Gaston's Tavern, and it is a delicious, fruity, unexpected, and frozen drink. Let's get started. There's actually a foam topping on top of the frozen beverage, so we're going to start by making that. So grab your mixer bowl and put in 1 cup of whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of passion fruit juice, 3 tablespoons of mango juice, very fruity, and then 4 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar. Alright, we're just going to go pop this over onto the mixer and whip it up until it's soft peaks form. Alright, once that's nice and fluffy, we're just going to pop it in the fridge to wait until the rest of the drink is done. Let's get working on the bulk of the beverage. Alright, so if you have an ice cream maker that has a frozen bowl like this, it's really the easiest way to make a drink that's frozen. So go ahead and grab your frozen bowl straight out of the freezer. You're going to need to add 3 cups of water. And then add 1 can of frozen apple juice concentrate. Ooh, let's see if I can get this open. Okay, so I'm going to just slop that right in. Okay, and then we're going to mix that with 3 tablespoons of toasted marshmallow syrup. This might be a little bit harder to find at your local grocery store. Some might have it, but not hard to find it all online. So go ahead and check your favorite online grocery store, and I'm sure that they'll have it. So just go ahead and give this mixture a little stir. And then we're going to grab our mixer and get this going. And let it go for a spin. This will run for about 15 to 20 minutes until it gets to a nice slushy consistency. Looks like it's about ready for us. Let's take a look. Really nice slushy consistency, just what we want. Okay, so grab a couple of your favorite mugs. Don't forget about the whipped cream that you made earlier. Go ahead and put these things together. Start by scooping some of your frozen apple juice into the bottom of the glass. A little bit messy there. That's all right. All right, and then we're going to spoon a little bit of our whipped topping on the top of each glass, like so. And voila, that's all. Grab a couple of straws and give it a bit of a stir. Let's have a taste. It's so good. This is exactly like the drink that you get at Magic Kingdom in Gaston's Tavern. So, so delicious. Frozen, fruity. The combination of the toasted marshmallow and the passion fruit mango is so unexpected and unlike anything you might have had before. So even if you haven't had this at Disney parks, it's a delicious drink and you should give it a try. Super easy to do. So I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you'll check out the Unofficial Disney Parks Cookbook that comes out November 10th.